Hi there, welcome to my virtual living room. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how I use an instruction strategy called interactive journal to help my students learn culinary terms. This strategy is from Wisconsin DPI Literacy Strategies Bank. This strategy can have a variety of formats. I'm using one that's closest to this one. If you visit this website, it has a collection of many styles of interactive journal. Here are 14 basic cooking terms that my 7th and 8th grade culinary students are expected to know. Before, my students are going to cook broccoli in 3 ways: roasting, steaming, and sauteing. I'm going to use interactive journal to help them understand what these cooking terms mean. I'll provide each student with a piece of paper divided into 4 quarters. The first quarter is used to record what this journal page is about: cooking broccoli in 3 ways. They record their understanding about these cooking terms in the space provided. They must have the term clearly written in the space. They must include a drawing, include what appliance or where the cooking happens, and how it is done. For example, for roasting, I have the word clearly written in the center of the space here. I have a drawing of a sheet pan included, and roasting is done in the hot oven. You place food on a single layer on a sheet pan to roast the food. That's the basic 4 elements they should include in their interactive journal. Next, students are going to go to this website to learn about the other 2 cooking terms, and they are going to record their understanding in the spaces provided. And they must include the 4 basic elements for each cooking term. When they are done, they should have something look like this. If you have students doing this in a bite size, meaning doing only 1 word on an index card or something, at the end you can choose the best work to post in the classroom's interactive cooking terms wall. The student whose work is chosen can enter a blue ticket for a prize draw as a motivation for their good work. For this lesson, I have students learning 3 cooking terms. In preparation for their lab, they are going to cook broccoli in 3 ways. Students can have their interactive journal page in their binder. I think it's something very nice to have. That is how I used interactive journal in one of my lessons.